morning, students. Today we will do worksheet number 11, and this worksheet is based upon the division. Question number 1: how to divide the fractional number. So first of all, I am taking the example A of question number 1. 1 by 5 divided by 3. How would you divide 1 by 5, 1 upon 5 by 3? 3 से आप 1 by 5 को कैसे डिवाइड करोगे? So first number, here you look, here 1 by 5 is given, it is fractional number, and 3 is a whole number. So first of all, we have to change the 3 by writing 1 as a denominator. So now you can divide 1 by 5 and 3 upon 1, you can say. Otherwise, no need to write 1 upon 3, but here you have to take the reciprocal, and by doing the multiplication you have to denote the 1 to make them equal. So 1 by 5 मैंने यहाँ पर लिया. So we have to change the sign of division into multiplication. Here you will say how it can happen, how it is possible the sign of division is changed into multiplication. Yes, it is possible by taking the reciprocal of 3 by 1. I am taking the 1 by 3. So now it is in the form of multiplication. So you have learned in previous classes how to multiply the fractional number n multiply by n and denominator d multiply by d. So in both numbers 1 and 1 are on the numerators and 5 into 3 are in the place of denominator. So it will become 1 by 15. This is the answer of part A of question number 1. So I am taking the part B. 2 4 by 5 divisible by 6. Here in previous example there was a proper fraction, but here is a mixed fraction. So first of all, change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So first of all, multiply by 2 and plus 4 divided by 5, because 5 is at the denominator. So 5 to the 10 and 4 14. 14 by 5 and divided by 6. Here again I am writing 1 as a denominator. So now what is the second step? You have to write the mark of multiplication and you have to write the reciprocal of 6. Here will be 1 by 6. Now look at the numbers. 14 by 5. 14 is at the numerator, 5 is at the denominator. Here 1 is on the numerator and 6 is at the denominator. Now you have to see which two numbers at the numerator and denominator side you can cut, and you can find the common multiple of one number. Here you will find in the cross side here numerator can be divided by denominator, and here numerator can be cut or divisible by denominator. So, or this side you can also cut the numbers. Here 6 is the multiple of 2, 2 3s are 6, and here 14 is also 2 7s are 14. Both the numbers are divisible by 2. So what are the number are left at after division? You will find 7, and here 1, and here 5, here 2. So answer will be 7 by 10. This is the example of part B, and answer of part C. Now I am taking the other example. 2 3 by 5 divisible by 4. Again you have to change the numbers. 5 2s are 10, and 3 is 13 by 5, and here 4 by 1. Now what is the next step? You have to write the reciprocal of 4. Here we are unable to find the common multiple or common factor of the numerator and denominator side. There is no number, so last we have to multiply the numbers, numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So here is the 13 by 20 is the answer. C. We have done the C. Now 18 by 3 by 4. Here 18 is whole number. So first of all write the 1 upon 18 upon 1. So next step is multiplication. So you have to write the reciprocal of the given number, 4 by 3. Here you will find 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18, and these are the number. So now there is no other number to cut each other, so I am taking the 6 and 4 and 1 into 1, because these two numbers are remain in denominator side. It is up to you, either you want to write the 1 or not. It is 24 upon 1, or you can write 24 as a answer. So in this way you can complete the worksheet number 11 of chapter number 4. So next we will do the properties of division of fractional number in our next video. So till then you have to complete this exercise.